Welcome to another Whatever Networks technical blog. Today I'm going to go through patching one of the Sharefile vulnerabilities that was identified back in May. This is in a test lab, so nothing in here in production, but I use this lab in order to verify new features and also to do some additional testing. So I'm on a storage zone controller at the moment. First of all, I just want to show you the issue here. So it's been reported that there's a vulnerability that could expose the Citrix storage zone controller, and then third parties could then get access to data on there, which is a really bad thing. So there's a list of vulnerabilities. You get these kind of updates when you log into your storage zone controller. These only apply to on-premise. So if you have storage zone controllers in the cloud, you need not worry, these have already been patched. If you host your own customer storage zone controllers or partner storage zone controllers, then you need to make sure that you take the appropriate action. So this is the reported news. And this affects storage zone controllers from 5.5.0 to 5.9.0, and you should know that if you do just upgrade, that does not resolve the problem. It needs to be patched, and this is also a one-way upgrade. So once you've actually upgraded or patched, once you've actually patched the storage zone controller, there is no rollback. So, and if you do try to roll back, it breaks. So what I'm going to do now is going to go through the article. So this is the reported news. This is my storage zone controller, and Citrix have an article which is CTX-269341, and this is the security patch here. Now I've already downloaded the patch. It shows you which ones apply and which ones it does not apply. So everything looks like 7.1 and above has been patched. So let's get to it. First of all, I want to show you my storage zone controller and what version we're on. So we can just go into the control panel for that. Open up programs, program file features, and you can see my storage zone controller there. Now this was installed recently for the purposes of training and testing and putting this patch in place. So that's the reason why it was installed on the 12th of March. Sorry, the 12th of May. Anyway, so this is the vulnerable storage zone, and I need now to patch it. So what I'm going to do is minimize this. I've already downloaded it. We know what version of storage controller is. I'm on the primary. If you have a secondary, you do the primary first, and then you fail over to the secondary. You do the secondary, and if you have more than one tertiary, etc., you carry on through that. So this is what we got to do. I'm going to navigate to PowerShell. Make sure you run this as an administrator, and you should be an administrator. So I'm going in as an administrator. And so once we're in there, I've extracted the files here to this folder on the C drive, and this PowerShell script is in here, and the application fix as well. So that's on C, and just extracted the zip file. So what I want to do is I need to get to that directory. So I'm going to go to the C drive. Go into the directory path, and then I'm going to run the command. And as it says here in the instructions, the first thing to do is we sign onto primary storage zone controller, open up PowerShell, navigate to there, and then we need to agree on it. So we run this tool. So I'm just going to copy this into my PowerShell. And so here you go, saying the software is from untrusted published, so we're going to just do run once. And here it says success. If this is your primary controller, do not revert any changes now. Reverting the changes for the primary controller after update will cause your zone to become unavailable. And you may now proceed to the second controller, restart this system before continuing, and if you have any problems, you'll probably need to open a support ticket. And that's it. So I'm going to reboot this server, and then we should be patched. And before I do that, I just want to show you that there's a log file that comes with this, and it's in here, and there's the output. So we just open the output, and this is basically the same thing that was said in the PowerShell. So I'll reboot that, and then we're patched. So that's patching your, that should be patching your storage zone controller on premise for this CEV vulnerability. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Hope this has been helpful, useful for you. If you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more interesting videos like this coming your way. And see you next time.